What's up, guys? We got a 2023 F-250. 24, when it comes out, it'll probably be the same thing. I don't think they'll change anything. So, what we end up doing is, in this particular vehicle, we end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm because that's what the guy wanted. He didn't want to add an alarm or anything. But we do have alarms that we can hook it up through the CAN bus, and you don't have to carry an extra fob either, but it's just going to be a lot more expensive. And he had everything, remote start and everything, so he just wanted for me to add what the truck is missing. It was the shock sensor. But I'm going to go ahead and I just armed it. I'm going to go ahead and before adding the shock sensor, you can pretty much take a baseball bat, destroy this whole truck, nothing will happen. After adding the shock sensor, if anybody walks up and then they bang on the glass, it's going to set off the alarm. Well, we noticed that in this particular vehicle, when the factory alarm goes off, it locks the brakes. Pretty cool. They do that so somebody, if they try to tow it or they try to drag the truck, if the factory alarm goes off, they won't be able to tow it or drag it. So that's pretty brilliant from Ford to lock in the brakes when the alarm fires off. So basically, yeah, that's it. This is a shock sensor add-on to this 2023 F-250. I'll show you what the dash looks like. Really nice. Okay, the big screen, 75-year anniversary. Okay, so yeah, lock the brakes. See the brakes? So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the brake. Okay, brake is off. Not bad. Okay. This is the shock sensor add-on. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. Anybody who has these trucks and they want to beef up on the security, we can do the shock sensor add-on, or we can do the full-blown alarm system with hooking up the module and downloading the firmware that belongs to this vehicle. It can be done that way as well, but it's just going to be more money. Normally we do it that way when somebody wants the app on the phone and they want to be able to lock and unlock it through the phone and the whole nine yards. It's going to be a lot more money, but in his case, he didn't care about any of that. He just wanted the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. This is on the Ford F-250 2023.